Hello everyone, I am Manisha Naik, first year computer science stream. So my topic is navigation and sensible waist belt with Bluetooth airports for blind. In the world where independence is valued aspect, the visually impaired face unique challenges in navigating their surroundings. Today, this project aimed at the way blind individuals can travel independently. An innovative electronic device that promises to detect obstacles automatically, providing assistance for the blind community. A visually impaired individual who struggles to move around confidently in unfamiliar environments despite using a cane, they often find themselves facing obstacles that have significant safety risk. It's an electronic device that consists of comfortable waist belt and a pair of earbuds. Specially crafted for the visually impaired, the waist belt features advanced sensor which can accurately sense objects in front of the user. The data collected by the sensor is then wirelessly transmitted to the earbuds via a seamless Bluetooth connection. So this is the prototype of my project. As they embrace the power of obstacles detection device for the first time, putting on the waist belt and the earbuds, their face will light up with excitement knowing that this device will improve their independent travel experience. With the device on, the blind people are more confident as they walk. The sensor on the waist belt detect any potential obstacles ahead. The earbuds deliver auditory clues, providing themselves with crucial information about the surrounding. Let's explore some of the key advantages of this device. Firstly, it replaces the need for a traditional white cane, offering a more comprehensive and real-time approach to obstacle detection. Secondly, the waist belt is lightweight, comfortable, and easy to wear, making it a seamless addition to any outfit. While this device is a good solution, we must acknowledge some potential challenges. Like any electronic device, technical errors may arise affecting its performance. Additionally, users should be mindful of charging the device to ensure it remains function at all times. In conclusion, this obstacles detection device represents a major step towards improving the independent travel experience for visually impaired individuals. With its innovative design, real-time obstacles detection, and the seamless user experience, I am excited about the possibility it brings up to the blind community. Together, let's embrace technology that fosters inclusively and empower those with visual impairment to conquer their world with newfound confidence and independence. Thank you.